welcome to my second home, my little slice of paradise in Goa. Actually, let me tell you guys a secret. I'm not in Goa and this isn't my second home. It's one of my favorite stores in the country, red, blue and yellow. But if you are dreaming of creating the perfect getaway home, stay with me. This design day, I'm going to show you how to set up your ideal holiday home with a beautiful resort vibe. Now, I have a resort vibe formula for you, okay? A great holiday home needs three things: seamless indoor-outdoor connection, a calm sensory experience, and an effortless, laid-back, luxurious style. So let's talk about the foundation. Basically, the entire look rests on color and materials, okay? So think soft whites, sandy beiges, ocean blues, basically colors that reflect nature. And not about the material? Stick to rattan, cane, wood, and natural stone. Now, all of these breathe and age beautifully in a tropical climate like Goa. Now, let's get into setting up the perfect living space. Very important. Your holiday home should be built for lounging, okay? So go oversized with your sofas, bring in a lot of low seating, layer it with linen and cotton fabrics. They're all again cool, breathable and perfect for coastal humidity. Don't forget the mood lighting, okay? Soft indirect light makes a world of difference here. Try wicker pendant lamps, wall sconces and warm LED strips under the shelves. So whether it's Goa or anywhere else, if it's a holiday home, the outdoors are everything, okay? So create your own resort style escape with a very few essentials: a shaded sit out like a patio, a hammock, an outdoor shower, swimming pool, very essential, and tons of topical plants, banana palms, frangipani, ferns, all of those. Okay, now that the living areas are set up, let's get into the bedroom. Now that's got to be your sanctuary, right? Your retreat. So keep it minimal: cool, crisp linens, a statement wooden bed, and extremely soft, gentle lighting. Another thing that plays a very, very important role is scent. Think lemongrass, jasmine, coconut, and even slight touch of vanilla. Now, a very important feature of holiday homes, okay, especially if it's a holiday home in Goa, they're all about easy entertaining, okay? So open shelving in your kitchen, handmade ceramic plates, a well-stocked bar cart, local alcohol, penny, coke and syrup, all simple but very, very stylish and very warm. Now, when you're thinking holidays, okay, you're always thinking friends, you're thinking family, you're thinking lots of guests. So your second home should always be ready for guests. Keep a stocked guest basket, organic toiletries, beach hats, extra slippers, lots of towels, and don't forget the local touches: hand-woven dharis, vintage Portuguese tiles, and handmade pottery. All of this will add character and support local artisans. There you have it, the perfect holiday home put together in a jiffy. And of course, it has to be a place that feels like an escape, not just for your friends and family, but also for you. And yet, it's home. Okay, so while we're going on and on about the holidays, we can't really keep the resort too far, no? So I've got you my favorite 5 senses rule to create the resort vibe at home. Now, a resort is more than just a look. It's a feeling. And it's important to engage all your senses to get that feeling right, okay? So let's start with sight. Stick to neutral earthy tones with ocean blues and greens. Add soft ambient lighting and oversized mirrors for openness. Number 2, touch. Again, use linen curtains, cotton throws, woven rugs, cane furniture for a cozy tropical feel. Create texture, okay? Use scented candles and fresh flowers like jasmine. Then, sound. Play soft instrumental music, ocean waves or light jazz. Add wind chimes or a tabletop water fountain for a soothing, calming effect. Finally, taste. Keep the drinks handy. Of course, it's nice to have a station with fresh coconuts, herbal teas and even fruit-infused water for a refreshing touch. So there you have it. And it's all really exciting. Just the thought of all of you getting your holiday homes ready for, well, the holidays. So while you guys go and do that, I'm going to go scouting for my next date destination. Happy designing, you all.